Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great today. I'm here with a new video in which I will tell you about if you're having any issue regarding your Play Store in your device Samsung S22 Ultra, how you can solve it. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move to our today's video topic. If you're having any issue regarding your Google Play Store, it is not downloading the app or it is not opening, you can solve this issue by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about it.